What's going on, everybody? Not sure what I'm actually gonna be doing in this video, but I just wanted to say thank you guys for all the love and support. I really appreciate it. And so that leads me to my next thing, right? What this video is probably gonna be about. Right now I'm gonna go look at a trailer. It is an enclosed, it's a friend that's selling it. I haven't seen anything on the inside. So if it checks out to be what I want and what I need, I am gonna go ahead and get it. And I'm also gonna be this Friday going down to Pueblo and going to the racetrack that's down there, so that way I can get a lot of test hits instead of going to Bandimere this Wednesday. Bandimere is just always so packed. It makes no sense to go there and only get 3 runs, where if I go down to Pueblo, I'll probably get 8 to 10 runs pretty easily. After that test and tune, I can go to Mexico and do some shenanigans on the street and do some testing. The reason why I'm going to Pueblo to do testing, if anybody is out of the loop or anything like that, I know there's a lot of new people here, is because I'm trying to get the car ready for Street Car Takeover. Now, it doesn't have a cage, and technically it's not legal for what I'm probably gonna run, but hopefully they don't say nothing, and either way, it's gonna be a really cool event. So if y'all are in Colorado and wanna go to an event, be sure to check out Street Car Takeover. Just go on their website, you'll be able to see what dates they have. There is an actual really cool little meet that is over at Twin Peaks on Friday, and then Saturday is the actual race event, I believe, or it's either Saturday, Sunday, not too sure. My family's gonna be coming down, so I'm super excited about it. And my best friend from Iowa is also gonna be coming down, so we'll be making videos on that and showing you guys. I got a lot in store for you guys, so stick around, check it out, let's get going. I didn't film anything yesterday when I picked it up, but check it out. This is actually the second trailer I went and looked at. It's not my friend's. It's not super nice, but it's got a little dent here. You can kind of see it. Supposedly it lost a tire and probably destroyed the side of it. But this is a 24-foot trailer. Obviously it's a V-nose. You can see some of the damage from, it's all like warped out and the fender is all messed up. But I'm probably gonna take these shelves out for sure. I went and got some straps this morning since I didn't have any. Also bought some locks for it. But yeah, I think after this weekend, I'll probably end up painting everything, the floor and the walls and stuff, just to make sure that it kind of keeps it protected and it doesn't like pop out or peel or nothing like that, get a whole bunch of moisture in it. But yeah, it's a pretty nice trailer. Pretty happy with it. So now that I got the trailer back home, I'm gonna go ahead, just because I'm so bad at this about getting plates and registration, I'm gonna go this morning and get them, so that way I just get it done and over with. The DMV takes forever here in Colorado. So, about to fire up the RX-7. The only car that I got here that runs decent. The RSX is messed up. And go get some plates for it, and then come back and take the RX-7 back up to the shop. I'm gonna go ahead and load it up, go back up to the shop. I think today I may make a catch can for it, but other than that, it should be all ready for this weekend. Do some shenanigans down in Mexico. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and load the RX-7 up now. All loaded up, fits in there nice, bunch of room in here. Might have to play with the tongue weight and how far forward it needs to go, but I'm just gonna guess right there for now, see how it drives. See, I think I might end this video right here. It's gonna be a pretty short little video. I know it's not super exciting, but this was a necessity for the RX-7 and to do some cool out-of-state racing with the RX-7. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you all are excited for what's about to come in these next couple of months before the race season ends. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys thought down below. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, guys, see ya.